Coco kitchen. Now that Christmas is just around the corner, I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate fruit and nut tree. This tree makes a really nice centerpiece for a Christmas table, or you could even use it for New Year's and put a sparkler on it. And this is a really fun dessert for children to help with because it's very easy to make and they'll enjoy helping with the decorating. It's also good, I'm making a large size, but you can make it in smaller sizes, and it makes good gifts or party treats. And it also looks good when you cut it. It makes a nice snack with coffee or tea. And of course it's a healthy dessert, good alternative to those traditional sugar and fat-laden treats that you normally have at Christmas. This one is full of healthy fats from the nuts and good low-carb sugars from the dried fruits and plenty of antioxidants from the dark chocolate. Okay, to start with, I've got half a cup of almonds, half a cup of cashews, half a cup of macadamias, and half a cup of walnuts. And I just roasted those at 180 degrees for about 8 minutes. It's usually roughly 5 to 7 minutes depending on the oven. And I just chopped them roughly, so now I'm going to mix them with some spices. So now I have some nice Christmassy flavoured spices that are also very good for health. So we've got about half a teaspoon of cinnamon and about the same amount of ginger, also nutmeg, I've got here some clove powder. I'll put about a 1/4 teaspoon of that because it's quite strong. And some cardamom powder, about 1/4 teaspoon. That's also quite strong for a nice flavour. And just to bring out the flavour a bit more, you could put about a 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Now just mix it all together. Now we need some dried fruit. So we need about 1½ cups of dried fruit altogether. So you can have your own choice of fruit, but I suggest you go for more colourful fruit because it looks better when you cut the dessert. And fruit like goji berries, for example, is a very healthy choice. And then we have apricots. I have some naked ginger here. Also some cranberries, some tasty dried figs, and some raisins, or you could use sultanas, or it's really up to you, whatever dried fruit you prefer. So altogether it'll equal about 1½ cups. So I'm just going to put a 1/4 cup of each of these in. And if the fruit is a large size, it's best to chop it a little. So once you have your fruit in a bowl, just add about half a cup of coconut flakes or shredded coconut. And then just mix it all together. So you have a nice colourful mixture there. Now over on the stove I'm melting 1½ blocks of vegan dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, so it's not so high in sugar. Best to melt it over a saucepan of simmering water, so you won't burn the chocolate that way. Once the chocolate's melted, now just put in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Put that in. And I've also got half a cup of nut butter, which I've made myself, but you could use store-bought if you like. And we just want to mix that all together. Once that's done, we're just going to add in the nuts and also the fruit. And then just mix everything together so that it's all coated in the chocolate. Okay, so we need to make a large cone as the mold. So just get a roll of baking paper and just fold the corner over to make like a triangle shape. Then fold it down again, and then once more, and then just cut that piece. And now just open it up. So we have a cone. And then just fold down the edges a bit. Okay, so once you've made the cone, just find a large jar, a large container that you can rest it in so it stands by itself. So now it's just a matter of filling the cone with the mixture and just pressing it down as you go, so that as you can see it's filling up the whole cone. So just continue until all the mixture is used up. Once the cone is full, you just need to put it in the freezer and it has to set. Probably take at least about an hour or so. You could even leave it overnight or just leave it in there until you're ready to decorate. Okay, so once your Christmas tree has set, then it's just a matter of taking it out and removing the paper. And if you don't want to decorate it straight away, you can just wrap it in foil, keep it in the fridge for as long as you like. Once you're ready to decorate, you just decorate it however you like. You can have fun with it, you can put chocolate on it, coconut, dried fruit, whatever you fancy. If you want to like a different way of decorating it, you could make chocolate shards. So if you want to make chocolate shards, just melt some chocolate and spread it on a roll of baking paper, and then just simply roll the paper up, set it in the freezer for about 15 minutes, and then you just need to unroll it basically. All I do is I've got some melted chocolate here, and I'm just going to stick the chocolate shards onto the tree. Just starting at the bottom and going around. I've just covered the tree in the chocolate shards. Now you could just put a little extra melted chocolate on it. and just a little sprinkle of coconut for a snow sort of effect. So there we have it, a lovely chocolate tree, which would make a great centerpiece for the table at Christmas or any occasion. Of course, you can make it more colourful, put sparklers on it or candles or any other decorations that you like. And it's delicious as well, and healthy of course. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.